Okay, here we go. It's an LED light. And we got a universal AC adapter. 30 watts. Let's take a peek in here and see what we get. So you're going to test this out with a voltmeter too. It even has USB output, 6-piece DC tips, ABS plastic. Supposedly all these protections. Alright, there's where you adjust the voltage with a little screwdriver. You can turn it to what you need to. And here's all the tips. And that's pretty it. That's straightforward. Let's tear this thing out. It does even come with the little key to actually turn this on. I think most people just end up using a screwdriver. So it's at 3 volts right now. Let's plug this thing in and see what we get. Okay, there it is. 3 volts, perfect. Although I got the positive and negative mixed up. Let's try moving this up each section. I'll do this on camera. Do not have enough hands, so I gotta put it down. Let's go to 4.5 volt. And ooh, that's 4.5 volt. And do I have this? Do you have to replug it? Oh, it's going down. Okay. I guess if you switch it while it's plugged in, it goes up a little bit. Well, that's good to know. Wonder if that was the problem with my old one. Okay, good. It regulated after a minute. Let me try unplugging it. That's probably the more logical way to do this. And I'm going to switch it to 5 volt, probably one of the most important settings. Plug it in. And good, it's okay. Important safety note, unplug before changing voltage if you want it to be good. This seems very steady. I'm very happy with this. Is that showing in the camera good? So that is 5 volt. Nails it pretty well. So, okay, let's try 9 volt. One of the more popular ones. Nine volts, perfect. I like it.